Hello my people out there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to discuss on how to transfer the PF online. Okay, this is also a viewer requested topic. One of my viewer has been requested to make a video on the PF transfer, how to transfer our PF after the job switch. Okay, so I thought to let's just discuss on this topic today. So if you are interested to know, watch the complete video from start to end so that you will come to know how to transfer the PF online once you switch your job. Okay, so let's just start with the video now. Before transferring PF, before transferring PF online, few things you have to keep in mind. That is, see, you will be having that form 2 and form 11, correct? So those two forms, form 2 and form 11 should be filled and submitted to the employer. Whichever the company you are going to join, to that company you have to submit form 2 and form 11. Okay, you have to fill the details and you have to submit it. Whatever the data you are going to enter in form 2 and form 11, everything should be proper. Okay, there should not be any mismatch in that forms. Okay, once you submit that, you have to ensure these points as well. That is, Aadhaar is there, right? So that Aadhaar should be linked with your UAN. Make sure your Aadhaar should be linked with your UAN. Okay, that should be done. And then the previous employer, whichever you are going to leave now, that employer has to update your date of exit in the UAN portal. Okay, make sure that that employer has updated your date of exit in the UAN portal. If they have not done, there is an option to update the date of exit in the UAN portal, but make sure that they will only update your date of exit. If they have not updated, you have to update your date of exit in the UAN portal. Okay, and then all the personal data should be matched with the PF account. Okay, whatever your personal data is there, like employee name, your date of birth, your gender, these should be matched. These points you have to keep in mind, okay, before transferring your PF online during the job switch. Okay, all these things you have done already. Then what you have to do is you have to visit this website. I'll give you that website link in the description box or somewhere in the screen. You just go to that website. Okay, once you click on this link or once you open this website, you have to provide your UAN password and the captcha, whatever is there. Just enter that and click on sign in. Okay, so once you logged in, the next page what it will display is this one: home, view, manage account and online services. This option is available, right? Just click on online services. To initiate the PF transfer, just click on online services. After clicking on online services, just click on transfer request. Okay, after that, after clicking transfer request, ensure all the details is correct. Before initiating the transfer, current PF number, UAN, date of joining and the personal details, whatever is showing, make sure that all the details is correct. Okay, once you checked everything, next what you have to do is, you can see here two steps. First step is select details of previous account, okay, which are to be transferred. That is there. So what you have to do is, you just need to click here to get the previous EPFO details. Ensure the old PF account is linked with the UAN. Okay, so you have to make sure that. After that, before getting the OTP, you have to make sure that your mobile number should be registered there. Then only you will get the OTP. See, once you generate the OTP, what will happen is, after completing the process, in the step 2 only, you will find one row where your tracking ID, your account number, previous account number, present, this is PF account numbers, okay, previous PF account number, present PF account number, and then printable form 13 will be displayed. You just need to download that. The download icon is visible. Just click on that and download it. So this is done. By doing this, you will transfer your PF online. Okay, after doing this, what you have to do is, you have to inform to your employer that you have done the PF transfer online. Just initiate the next process. What they'll do is, they'll generate the new account, PF account number, and then your new employer will start your PF. Okay, whatever the amount they have assigned to you, whatever the amount they have told you, that amount start getting added to your PF account. This is how you have to transfer your PF account online. Okay, once you transfer, you have to make sure that you will track the status. What is the status of your PF transfer, whatever you have done online. To do that also, you have to visit to the same website, log in, and then go to online services. Once you click on that online services drop down, just now what I have shown, once you click on the drop down, you will see the track claim status. One menu option is there. Just click on that. If you have any claimed done previously, it will be displayed. If it is already done and already the employer has taken the action, then it will display no records found. Okay, if you have done that, you can see there your status, whether it is pending, whether it is submitted, or it is approved by the employer, whatever it is, just make sure you will track that. Once you can see that row, that whatever it is pending, either it is pending or submitted or approved by the employer, whatever it is, once it is completed, once the PF account number has been generated by the new employer, that row will go off and you can see no records found in track status claim. You cannot see anything there once it is processed. Okay, so make sure if you have any doubt in that, if your PF is not yet initiated, then you can go and check your status there. Okay, that's all we have today. I hope you people have understood each and everything clearly. If anything is there, just do let me know in the comment section. I am here to help you out. Okay, please, if you found this video informative, just like the video, subscribe to my channel. You people are watching my video but not subscribing. I'm not sure why. If you are not finding it useful or what, I'm not sure, but if you're finding it useful, if you're finding this information informative, then please subscribe to my channel and enable that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload any new video. Okay, in this channel you will get really informative videos. Okay, so stay tuned with me by subscribing. Okay, if you have anything, just reach me out in Instagram. Okay, I'll be connecting with you people there. One more thing is, if you need any help right away, immediately, if you need any help, just join the membership. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.